check engine. So didiagnose natin kung ano ang cause ng check engine sa Yamaha. Ayan, Yamaha auto search engine, switch off. Okay, switch on. Turn on but do not start. Continue. Establishing monitor. Red fault. Current fault. No fault code. History. Ayun, ECU internal circuit failure. 30 tilted sensor fault, to brief abnormally detected intake pressure sensor, brief abnormally detected throttle position sensor, crankshaft sensor, engine starting difficult, unable to condition detect na sa mga dati ito. No, nagka-trouble. So may pending hold, no trouble. Sure to erase DTS an engine. Check engine pa siya. Ayun, namatay. Wala na ang check engine. Okay, press okay. No more. CO adjustment reading. Please wait.